Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with you need a new app to open up this file, which is usually a screenshot or screen clipping when you're using the Windows 10 snip and sketch. So this should hopefully be a fairly straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start by opening up the Start menu, type in Apps and Features. Best result should come back with Apps and Features listed right above System Settings. Go ahead and left click on that to open it up. In the Searches list field, go ahead and just type in Snip and Sketch. You might not have to type in the full thing there, it should just come up pretty quick. Go ahead and select that and then select Advanced Options. Scroll down, and where it says Reset, if this app isn't working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. Go ahead and select the Reset button. This will permanently delete the app's data on this device, including your preferences and signed-in details. Go ahead and select Reset. So at this point, I would recommend closing out of here, restart your computer, and see if that resolves the problem. If you're still having an issue, you can try opening up the Start menu again. Type in PowerShell. Best result should come back with Windows PowerShell. Go ahead and right click on that and select Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select Yes. Now I'm going to have two commands in the description of the video. Copy the first one and then go up to the top bar of the Windows PowerShell window here. Right click on it, select Edit, and then select Paste to paste it in. It will take a moment or two to run, so please be patient. It was pretty quick in our case. It said the operation completed successfully. Now you want to go ahead and do the same operation with the second command here, same procedure. It starts with get -AppXPackage for this one. Just give it a moment. Okay, so once it's done, you show a blink cursor at the end. Don't mind if there's a little bit of red if there's a few commands that didn't run, because overall it was successful. Close out of here. You do want to restart your computer at this point, and then hopefully that should have been able to resolve your problem, guys. As always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.